This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 19th of August. I'm James Spann. Another cloudy, cool, damp day. Temperatures more like October. Let's get in there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. These were captured at 5 o'clock. That's the trustful Skycam. Low clouds, fog, a little light rain. There's the Tuscaloosa Skycam looking east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. And there's the Alabama Gulf Coast, and man, what a soaking down there. Some parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties had over 8 inches of rain this weekend. All right, there's the deal. We've got troughing to the west, a low-level east-northeast flow, the wedge-type effect, if you will, and a weak stalled surface boundary around here. That's been the reason for the cloudy, cool, wet weather, and really a lot is changing today. Now, later in the week, the trough goes away, the front dissipates, the low-level winds veer to the south. It'll be more like summer later in the week. That's a radar at 5:03. Rain was falling from Aliceville to Northport in the northern suburbs of Birmingham. Hey, look at those highs yesterday. Birmingham's official high, I do believe, was 75. Another record low maximum for the date. We've gone 4 days in a row with a high below 80. And today should make 5 in a row. Just don't think we see 80 around here today. Don't see a lot of reason for change. Heaviest rain still east of here. Flash flood watches up for a large part of Georgia. Extreme southeast Alabama down around Dothan and parts of North Florida. At least no severe weather problems around the nation today. There's the overall rain for the next 5 days. Heavier numbers to the south and east of here. And look at that. You go west and you got no rain at all for places like Memphis, Dallas-Fort Worth, Little Rock, Oklahoma City, Kansas City. That's under an upper high that's developing out there. And as that kind of expands, that should finally bring some summer-like weather in here toward the end of the week and the weekend. But still, I think temperatures stay below average. Hey, the tropics are quiet. The little system Erin in the Atlantic, the dry air just chewed that thing up. And a little wave coming off the coast of Africa, but things are awfully quiet for mid-August. We'll look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Upper high over New Mexico, troughing just west of here. And down below that, it's just not going to change today. Cloudy with some light rain. Don't know if we can touch 80. The model guidance has been useless. Every day the models have been mid to upper 80s. Every day the high has been in the 70s. They've been too warm. There's a look at the high-res NAM. It's got a few showers around, but it doesn't do a really good job of sometimes showing the light rain or drizzle we see with this. So cloudy periods of rain, the high upper 70s probably today. Tomorrow, again, we could clearly see a few showers, but the whole pattern begins to break down a little bit, and we start to warm up. I think we do see 80s tomorrow. This is Wednesday. Still evidence of some rain around here. And understand, we'll have a chance of rain every day. And that's the way it works in summer. But the showers, I think, toward the end of the week should be a little more scattered. This is the surface look on Wednesday coming from the GFS. It looks relatively wet. But again, I do think highs go back in the 80s by Wednesday as the heights are coming up. This is Thursday. And that upper high that's around Denver begins to expand and kind of flex its muscles out a little bit. The surface high, or the upper high, reaches over toward Memphis and the Mississippi Delta. And down below that, we're kind of on the eastern periphery of that, but still a chance of scattered showers and storms. But highs should go into the mid, maybe upper 80s. Friday looks maybe a little drier, chance of a few showers, but maybe more widely spaced. And we could touch 90 by Friday. Wouldn't that be something? It'll finally feel like summer. Here's a look at Saturday as we kick off the weekend. You can see the upper high is anchored around Kansas City, and the heights are clearly higher. The trough is gone, so Saturday should be a day with a high near 90, partly sunny, and the standard risk of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms like you'd expect on a summer day. And the same thing on Sunday. The high should be around 90 with a chance of scattered showers and storms. And there's Monday of next week. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is September 4th. Got a pretty strong upper high over much of the continental United States, with the westerlies kind of up on the Canadian border. And if that's right, the weather would be relatively warm And again, the high may be low 90s if that's right, but we're not so sure that's right because it's out there in the land of voodoo, but probably not much rain. Again, if by chance that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.